another quick tip video. Today I'm using the kit Winter Blessings, and I'm using the sprigs from this kit, and I'm stamping it up in Versamark ink, and then I'm going to heat emboss it with gold. I'm stamping this on watercolor paper. Now I'm heat setting it. So shiny. I've inked up the edges and added the sentiment, and now I'm just using some green distress ink with my watercolor brush, and I'm just going to paint the sprigs very loosely, nothing too straight, nothing too perfect, just kind of loose coloring and getting in all those little nooks and crannies. This is a really simple card and it's super fast, but it looks really nice when it's done. I added a piece of washi across the middle, and I've also added some distress ink black splatters to it to kind of give it some fun depth. Added some twine. And now I'm going to be adding some little silver stars to it, just to give it some sparkle. And that's it. Really fast, fun Christmas card. Thanks for watching. Bye!